are you a stay-at-home parent, a stay-at-home mom or dad, and gusto mo na rin magkaroon ng side hustle or work from home na trabaho, online job, then the perfect work or career na pwedeng-pwede sa'yo is pagiging isang virtual assistant. The nice thing is nag-create kami ng self-paced online course para matuto ka how to become a virtual assistant. From skills to tools hanggang sa paano gumawa ng online profiles hanggang sa pagkuha ng kliyente, ituturo namin lahat sa'yo. Ang kagandahan, very affordable. For only 1,200 pesos, modules na yon and self-paced yon. You can take it anytime you want habang nag-aalaga ka ng bata, habang nanonood ka ng TV, pwede mo siyang i-play sa background kasi videos naman siya. So, pwede kang matuto anytime, anywhere you want kasi nga self-paced siya. All you have to do is go to codego.ph and then hanapin mo lang yung virtual assistant or general virtual assistant na course. Click mo lang yung add to cart and